In front of me is INFINIX Zero X Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change sleep time to never. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called Caffeine. Keep screen on. When it's ready, launch it. Then choose OK in welcome pop-up. Make sure that Timeout is set up to infinite, and when you're ready, go into Tab menu. Then click on this pen at the top right corner. And following that, scroll all the way down to access Caffeine shortcut. When you find it, add it to your current ones by clicking on this green plus icon. Go back and tap on it here. As you can see, my shortcut is green, which means that infinite sleep time is on. To switch it off, tap on the same shortcut. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!